What's up, guys? It's Mikkel with Off Leash Canine Training, Southwest Missouri. And with me today are Bear and Shakira. Bear is a 4-year-old Husky mix, and Shakira is a 1-year-old Pitty mix who recently completed our 2-week board and train here in Springfield, Missouri. Now, Bear actually came into training with some existing obedience. The challenge wasn't that he had never learned anything before, it was that much of his training had gone out the window when his family welcomed home a new dog. Like a lot of dogs, Bear needed a refresher on expectations and a little help learning how to stay focused when life got more exciting. Shakira's story is a little different. She was rescued from a neglectful situation and unfortunately never had the opportunity to receive the socialization, confidence building, and foundation work that most dogs benefit from early in life. As a result, she could be unsure of herself in new situations and lacked some of the life experiences that help dogs navigate the world comfortably. Throughout their time with us, our focus was on building communication, confidence, and consistency. While both dogs had very different starting points, they shared the same goal, becoming easier to live with, easier to take places, and more enjoyable companions for their family. One of my favorite things about this pair was watching how differently they approached training. Bear was always eager to work and always quick to volunteer answers, while Shakira often needed a little bit more encouragement and reassurance. But once she understood what was being asked of her, she showed a tremendous willingness to try. I am incredibly proud of the progress both of these dogs made over the last 2 weeks, and I can't wait to show you what they've accomplished.